Unlock winning dropshipping products for 2024. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a game-changing strategy to find winning products for dropshipping in 2024. Get ready to revolutionize your e-commerce business with these actionable insights. Let's start by understanding what makes a product a winner. It's all about high demand, low competition, and solid profit margins. But how do you identify such products? That's where our strategy comes in. First, leverage data analytics tools. Platforms like Google Trends and SaleWho can provide invaluable insights into trending products and market demand. They help you spot what's hot before it becomes oversaturated. Next, social media is your secret weapon. Keep an eye on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Viral posts often indicate emerging trends. Use these trends to guide your product selection. Don't underestimate the power of niche markets. While broader categories face stiff competition, niche products cater to specific audiences with unique needs. This can be a goldmine for dropshippers savvy enough to tap into it. Supplier reliability is crucial. Work with suppliers who offer fast shipping and quality products. Alibaba and AliExpress are great starting points, but always vet your suppliers thoroughly to avoid customer dissatisfaction. Check out customer reviews and feedback. Real user experiences highlight the strengths and weaknesses of products. This information can guide you in choosing products that will delight your customers and build your brand reputation. Use SEO tools to find keywords with high search volumes but low competition. This helps you optimize your product listings, making them more discoverable to potential buyers searching online. Test, and test again. Start with a small batch of products and monitor their performance. Use A/B testing for your ad campaigns to see which products and approaches work best. Leverage influencer marketing. Partner with influencers who resonate with your target audience. Their endorsements can significantly boost your product's visibility and credibility. Diversify your marketing channels. Don't rely solely on one platform. Utilize Facebook ads, Google Shopping, and email marketing to reach a broader audience and increase your chances of finding winning products. Stay updated with industry news. Subscribe to e-commerce blogs, attend webinars, and join dropshipping communities. Being informed about the latest trends and technologies can give you a competitive edge. Automate where possible. Tools like Oberlo can streamline your order processing and inventory management. Automation frees up your time, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. Finally, always prioritize customer service. Happy customers are repeat customers. Provide excellent service, engage with your audience, and collect feedback to continually refine your product offerings and strategy. Thank you for watching. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to finding winning products for dropshipping in 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.